The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition received a warm reception in 2020, but the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition was less successful. Despite intentions to launch an affordable model annually, Samsung skipped the Galaxy S22 FE release. According to reports, the global chip shortage was the culprit, but now there is renewed hope for Samsung's Fan Edition. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S23 FE is in development and may even replace one of Samsung's series devices. The question is, will the Galaxy S23 FE live up to the standards set by the Galaxy S20 FE, or will Samsung skip the 2023 FE phone altogether? Here's what we know so far about the Galaxy S23 FE. According to rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is expected to replace the Galaxy S74 and become part of the Galaxy S23 lineup. Last year, Samsung canceled the Galaxy S22 FE despite many rumors about its launch. Roland Quant, a reliable source for insider information, has suggested on Twitter that there may not be an S23 FE this year. However, a lesser-known publication, CISA Journal, claims that the Galaxy S23 FE will launch in the fourth quarter of 2023. It is difficult to determine the credibility of this source, so it is uncertain whether the rumors are true. Until Samsung confirms anything officially, we will have to wait to see if the Galaxy S23 FE will be released at all, and if so, when. Based on previous launch dates for Samsung's Fan Edition phones, there is no set timeframe for the release of a new FE model. The release dates for the Galaxy S20 FE and S21 FE were in September 2020 and January 2022, respectively. However, the scattered nature of these launches provides no insight into when the Galaxy S23 FE will be released. While there are rumors of a possible launch in the fourth quarter of 2023 or even as early as August or September, the phone's uncertain fate makes it difficult to predict a concrete release schedule. The Fan Edition phones typically draw design inspiration from Samsung's more premium Galaxy S series. While there are currently no leaked images of the Galaxy S23 FE, we anticipate that it will closely resemble the vanilla Galaxy S23 model. While there is a possibility that Samsung may deviate from the design principles of the S23 series, we believe that any changes will likely be minor. At this time, it's difficult to predict what the Galaxy S23 FE will look like without more reliable information. Twitter leaker Connor hints that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 FE might feature the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, a chipset used in several 2022 flagship phones like Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, with promising performance in all reviewed devices. However, this choice may deviate from the Fan Edition's key selling point, affordability. There are rumors that Samsung may have downgraded the processor on the S23 FE to reduce costs and offer a more affordable option to customers. A sketchy report from a Korean publication claims that the S23 FE will feature the older Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor that was used in the S22 series, which had issues with power efficiency and sustained performance. According to the same publication, the Galaxy S23 FE will have a triple camera setup and a 120Hz OLED display. Nonetheless, the lack of credible information means that we cannot confirm any of these details. As always, we'll keep an eye out for more leaks and keep you updated. CISA Journal predicts that the S23 Fan Edition will cost between 20 and 30% less than the standard Galaxy S23 model with 256 gigabytes of storage, which costs $799. That would put the cost of the S23 FE at $560 and $640. We caution you once more to take this information with a grain of salt. Before additional reliable sources come up and reveal more information regarding the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, nothing can be claimed with certainty about the device. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. Peace out.